In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ANC future while talking about the Anchor Protocol cost conjecture for 2022 and then some, or so they fundamentally thought. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and any really other expectation with some hesitancy, since anticipating anything generally is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Anchor Protocol. Presently, we should head into it, or so they in a real sense thought. Before we dive especially profound into the Anchor Protocol value expectation and answer questions in the event that ANC is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ANC succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Anchor Protocol value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what ANC is and its to-date history. ANC price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of an undeniable essentially bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched genuinely high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into most certainly more steady business sectors. Crypto by and large is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous certainly play, and subsequently the auction in an especially significant manner. Our algo still sees some very green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is in every practical sense reflected in our 2022 expectations, or so they thought. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to basically find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history in a significant manner. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other kind of greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess generally are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and some sort of other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Anchor Protocol price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will kind of endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We certainly see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise in a significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 20.59%, $0.0852. 2022 November minus 41.20%, $0.0630. 2022 December minus 23.47%, $0.0821. 2023 Jan minus 19.76%, $0.0860. 2023 February minus 13.42%, $0.0928. Amazingly, 2023 Mar minus 10.71%, $0.0957. 2023 April minus 4.64%, $0.1023. 2023 May plus 0.09%, $0.1073, which is genuinely huge. 2023 June plus 5.24%, $0.1129 in an unpretentious manner. 2023 July plus 12.66%, $0.1208 incredibly. 2023 August plus 16.34%, $0.1247. 2023 September plus 24.80%, $0.1338 in an unpretentious manner. ANC price prediction 2025, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our forecast model sees ANC coming to $0.2230 in 2025 amazingly. What will ANC truly be essentially worth in 5 years? The cost of ANC in 5 years could generally lie around $0.2047. Anchor Protocol Price Prediction 2030 to 2040, or so they thought. What Anchor Protocol will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Anchor Protocol coming to $0.5576 in 2030. What Anchor Protocol will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Anchor Protocol coming to $1.12 in 2040. Will Anchor Protocol sort of supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Anchor Protocol won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Anchor Protocol reach $10? Indeed, Anchor Protocol could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Could Anchor Protocol reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Anchor Protocol to reach $1,000 in the essentially short or midterm period. Is Anchor Protocol, all things considered, worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably unsafe money management, in every practical sense. Contribute the greater part of actually your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Anchor Protocol generally merits purchasing. Is Anchor Protocol a fundamentally wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Anchor Protocol is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous speculation. It has basically higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How much will Anchor Protocol basically be worth? For the fundamentally transient future, it could reach $0.0630. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $0.5576 or significantly higher. For what reason will Anchor Protocol most certainly succeed and become more expensive, which is very critical? Anchor Protocol has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Anchor Protocol ascending to $0.5576 in 2030. For what reason will Anchor Protocol fall flat and drop in cost? Crypto projects really come up short in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, certainly more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising system, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to especially accomplish expected least development.